Anyone, any kind of response you want to give, you can give. Okay, so Krishna is saying life's purpose. Very profound. Very nice. Anyone else? Anyone else would like to express why did they feel inspired to attend this course, to register?
Hey,
What
hi, Sam.
basically what is your expectation from this course? Yeah, Shubham, please say something.
Yeah, the actually I checked the message, and the main thing which inspired me was it mentioned real life stories and analogies. Uh,
Ah,
I think I will found some relating examples and will help me learn Bhagavad
very
Gita more
nice.
in depth.
Very nice.
That was the main
Yeah,
reason.
yeah, definitely. So we will have various real life examples because what books and books of philosophy can teach us, more than that, real life examples can teach us. So very amazing, very good inspiration. Uh, Someone is writing, one second. Sherville is writing, I got inspired by grandfather saying the meaning of Bhagavad Gita and the Leela of Krishna. Very nice. So some people might have might have got very nice culture from their home, which inspires them to have such kind of inquiry. So very nice. I'm also very happy to be with such inspired people for this course. So my friends, one thing I would like to clarify. Generally, what happens whenever people think कि भगवत गीता के ऊपर कुछ क्लास हो रही है, भागवतम के ऊपर कुछ क्लास हो रही है, स्क्रिप्चर्स के ऊपर कुछ क्लास हो रही है, उनको लगता है कुछ तो सत्संग वगैरह होगा, कुछ तो ऐसे बताएंगे, कथा वथा करेंगे. सो फर्स्ट इनिशियली ओनली आई एम गिविंग दिस डिस्क्लेमर कि यहाँ पे कुछ सत्संग वगैरह नहीं होने वाला है, कुछ ऐसा कथा वथा नहीं होने वाली है. What we are going to do is we are going to try scientifically and analytically try to understand Gita's message in our life. ठीक है? It's not something like sentimental. The message of Gita is very scientific and very practical, and we are going to explore that scientifically. ठीक है? So that is our foundation of this whole course. सी इन बिटवीन ना, इफ सपोज एनीवन फील्स कि मेरा आवाज क्लियर नहीं आ रहा है, कुछ तो अगर प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है नेटवर्क का, सो प्लीज राइट इन द चैट बॉक्स बिकॉज आई विल नॉट कम टू नो. लाइक मेरे साइड से आई विल बी कीप ऑन स्पीकिंग बट आई वोंट कम टू नो वेदर यू आर एबल टू हियर मी और नॉट. So please feel free to write in the chat
Sir,
box.
my name is Ajay, sir.
Okay.
Hello.
Yeah, yeah. What you are
Sir, can I
saying?
speak in Hindi, sir?
Sure, हिंदी इंग्लिश, हिंदी में भी बोल सकते हैं आप, कोई प्रॉब्लम
Actually,
नहीं.
my motive is, sir. हाँ सर. एक्चुअली लाइफ में अभी सभी कुछ ठीक से चल रहा है. प्रेजेंटली हमारे साथ कुछ हो जाए, कुछ अनबन वगैरह हो जाए, तो हम ये क्यों हुआ करके उस रास्ते पे ढूंढने में निकलते. अभी मेरा सिचुएशन वैसा नहीं है सर. सभी ठीक चल रहा है, तो ये ठीक क्यों चल रहा है? मेरे पीछे के कर्म कुछ अच्छे हैं या इसका ये क्यों अभी अच्छा चल रहा है सभी? इसका जानने का मार्ग कहीं से किसी को पूछ नहीं सकते. इसलिए मैंने सोचा कि कोई कुरान रहने दो या गीता रहने दो, उसको फॉलो करके देखते कि कुछ तो मिलता है क्या.
Amazing.
अगर इसको अगर मैंने ये क्यों अच्छा चल रहा है करके ये भी जान लिया, तो आगे बुरा क्यों होने वाला है ये भी जान सकता हूँ.
करेक्ट, वेरी ट्रू, वेरी ट्रू. कई बार लोग सोचते हैं कि हम जब तकलीफ आएगी तभी हम इन चीजों के बारे में सोचेंगे, बट
तकलीफ को अभी
अगर
कुछ भी नहीं है सर, लेकिन जानना चाहता हूँ कि क्यों है सभी ठीक चल रहा है.
हाँ, सी अभी हम जब फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री मैथ्स पढ़ते हैं, बायोलॉजी पढ़ते हैं, ऐसा नहीं है कि जब मुझे किसी का ऑपरेशन करना है या मेरे साथ कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो रही है तभी मैं बायोलॉजी पढ़ता हूँ. इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट, राइट? हम वैसे ही पढ़ते हैं बायोलॉजी जिससे कि
हाँ
आगे जाके हम उसमें ज्यादा एक्सप्लोर कर पाए. सिमिलरली व्हाट अजय आप जो बोल रहे हैं, दैट इज वेरी ट्रू कि हमें तकलीफों का वेट नहीं करना चाहिए इन चीजों के बारे में सोचने के लिए. हमें जब अच्छा खासा सब टाइम
हाँ
है, दैट टाइम आल्सो वी शुड ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. सो दैट्स व्हाई इट इज अ साइंस. ठीक है? सो विद दिस क्लियर वी विल स्टार्ट विद आवर सेशन. And more than session, I will say it will be a discussion. Okay, either through chat or verbally. You can unmute yourself and feel free to discuss. So more than a session, this is a discussion. ठीक है. So भगवत गीता जो है, भगवत गीता में there is profound knowledge, there is very vast knowledge, but the whole Bhagavad Gita's knowledge can be summarized in 5 topics. What are these 5 topics? These 5 topics are Ishwar or Daiva, Jiva or living entities, then Prakriti, Prakriti means nature, Karma, Karma means our activities and their results, and Kala, Kal means time. So this whole Bhagavad Gita, it tries to explain the interactions between these 5 things. Okay, God, living entity, nature, time and activities. So हमारा जो ये कोर्स रहेगा, ऐसा नहीं है कि हम एक एक टॉपिक को लेके हम कवर करेंगे. हम क्या करेंगे, वी हैव डिसाइडेड अ फ्यू टॉपिक्स, and in those topics, like एक ही टॉपिक में we will discuss about one or two of these aspects, right? So it's like that. So our first topic's name is Mastermind Behind the Mysterious Universe. Okay, I'll quickly share the screen with all of you. Yeah. So this is going to be our today's presentation. The topic being Mastermind Behind the Mysterious Universe. So do all of you agree that this universe is very mysterious? ये जो universe है बहुत ही mysterious है. Do all of you agree? If all of you agree, then please write in the chat box what all things in this universe do you find very mysterious? इस दुनिया में आपको क्या क्या चीजें बहुत mysterious लगती हैं? Any phenomena, any places? Everything is mysterious. Amazing response. Actually, if we see deeply, it's true. Everything is mysterious. But some things are very which are very famous in this world, which as being mysterious things. Swayambhu Murti. Yeah, very nice. Anyone else? What about others? You all have heard the name of Bermuda Triangle, black holes, right? Cosmic strings. So there are so many mysterious things. Even there is one thing called as this also Dragon's Triangle. That is also very much similar to Bermuda Triangle. So these are few things which we know that are mysterious. The whole universe is mysterious and it's endless, correct? But there are many things which we have not yet even explored, which we don't even know about. So as someone rightly said, who was there? Shubham. Yeah, as Shubham rightly said, that actually everything is in this universe is mysterious. Just imagine that such a simple thing as our eyelids. Okay? These eyelids, these are such small part of our body, but without, do you ever count in the day कितनी बार आपने पलक झपकाई? Do you ever count in the day how many times you blink the eye? Without even our notice, we are at a very regular frequency, we are blinking the eyes, and that is keeping our eyes we are blinking our palak, what eyebrow, palak, whatever we say that in English, and that is keeping our eyes very safe. So like that, inside our body itself there are so many mysterious things. So the next question comes कि all these mysterious things, what is their origin? ये सारी mysterious चीजें, हमारा जो पूरा universe है, ये कैसे आया है? What is the reason behind this whole universe? So I would like to know from all of you, what do you feel? This universe has come from what? What is the source behind this whole universe? Big Bang Theory. Very good. And what about others? What others feel? Definitely supreme power created it. Big Bang Theory only. Good. So we are getting very interesting responses from all of you. Anyone else has any separate opinions? Brahma. Very good. Arnav said two things. Arnav is saying Big Bang Theory also, and same Arnav is saying Brahma also. Okay, so these might be different kinds of thoughts we might be having. That's possible. So we will see in this session actually how this universe came. Did it came from Big Bang Theory, or there was some supreme power behind it, or was there some other reason? Okay. So all that we will see in this session, logically as well as scientifically. ठीक है, ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं आपको कुछ बताऊंगा और आपको उसको बिलीव ही करना है. We will see all that logically and scientifically. So beginning with our presentation. So these are the few topics which we will cover. Our observations means logically trying to understand. Scientists' observations, what scientists say. Then we'll come across $2 million questions, activity time, and finally the most important part, our prime duty, how to practically apply this knowledge. Okay, so I'll begin this session with a very interesting example. Suppose I request all of you to kindly mute yourself. Okay, thank you. So just imagine like you are there outside, you are working since like throughout the day, you are working outside in very hot summer day, and suddenly like after your work gets completed, you come back to your home, and as soon as you come to your home, on a table you find your favorite dish kept on that table. Someone might be having favorite dish as some cake, some gulab jamun, some dhokla. Someone might be having favorite dish as. Just a minute. Yeah. So suppose my favorite, like I'll say from my perspective, my favorite dish is cake. Okay, chocolate cake. So suppose I come from my work, and as soon as I get into my home, I see a chocolate cake on the table. मुझे एक chocolate cake रखा हुआ दिखता है उधर टेबल पे. So immediately, if someone asks me, if my father asks me कि ये chocolate cake कहाँ से आया, what will I say? Definitely, what I'll say. What is the probable cause behind that chocolate cake? My mother made it, right? My mother or father made it. Got from shop, or ultimately someone prepared it. Okay. If suppose my father says कि ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है, ये किसी ने प्रिपेयर नहीं किया है, ये जस्ट ऐसे ही आ गया, मतलब इट जस्ट केम बाय इटसेल्फ, ठीक है. और इफ आई से सपोज कि बिकॉज इट वाज माय डिजायर, दैट्स व्हाई दिस केक केम. Nobody made it, just because I desired it, that's why this cake is there. So, will you feel that this kind of idea is very logical? That it just came by itself, right? We don't see things around us coming by themselves, right? Someone's mouth is watering, Shubham. Just you can have dinner alongside attending this course also, session also. So, definitely if someone says ki it just came by itself, so that won't be very intelligent idea, because in this world around us, do we see anything that comes by itself? No. But friends, there are few things which come by themselves. But like suppose you throw a pot. There is a mud pot kept on the table, and you throw that mud pot on the ground. What will happen? That mud pot will break apart. So that happened by itself. That breaking of the thing, that happened by itself. So things do happen by themselves in this world, but the problem is that nothing good happens by themselves. Nothing beautiful, nothing organized, nothing very, what we can say, planned things happen by themselves. Planned things, organized things, beautiful things, they don't happen by themselves. Whatever happens by themselves, that is just chaotic. मतलब इस दुनिया में, मैं हिंदी में भी बीच बीच में ट्रांसलेट करूंगा, इस दुनिया में कोई भी अच्छी चीज, कोई भी प्रॉपरली बनाई, मतलब अच्छी सुंदर चीज, या फिर इसका मैकेनिज्म अच्छे से काम कर रही है, ऐसी कोई भी चीज खुद से नहीं आती है. कोई ना कोई उसके पीछे बनाने के लिए रहता है. कोई चीजें अगर खुद से आती हैं तो वो कैसी आती हैं? जो कि लाइक ऑर्गेनाइज नहीं होंगी, जो कि किसी काम की नहीं होंगी, मतलब दे विल नॉट हैव अ प्रॉपर स्ट्रक्चर अमंग देमसेल्व्स. ठीक है. So if we see around this whole universe, we will see in this presentation that in this whole universe there is a very nice pattern and there is a very nice structure, organization that is followed in this whole universe. So how can we say that such a grand like structure and organized things that can come by themselves? So this is the topic which we will discuss in our observation. So if we observe this whole universe, who creates and maintains this beautiful and harmonious universe? That should be our natural question. So we see in this world that there is a very beautiful artistry in this whole nature. There is beautiful organization. We'll discuss this whole thing in A, B, C, D, E, F, G. There are great designs, and there are so many energies, kind of energies: kinetic energy, potential energy, chemical energy, nuclear energy. So all these are different kind of energies, and there are laws. So can anyone tell what all laws are there in this whole universe which are acting? Any law, can you tell any of your favorite laws during your school days? Any laws you remember in of this universe? Laws of physics? Anyone? Science background से है ना लोग? Oh yeah, very good. Arnav is saying gravity. So law of gravity is there. Law of thermodynamics are there. So all these are laws. Newton's laws are there. So all these are laws which are acting in this universe, and these are flawless laws. ऐसा कभी होता है क्या कि कोई ऑब्जेक्ट नीचे गिर रहा है, गलती से वो ऊपर चले गया? So we see that laws of nature, they never fail. So these are flawless laws. So taking the first part now, that is artistry. So we see here that there are some very beautiful and world renowned photographs in front of us. ये सारी जो photographs हैं ये बहुत ही विश्व प्रसिद्ध आर्टिस्ट्स ने ये photographs बनाई हुई हैं. So पहले photograph के आर्टिस्ट है विंसेंट गॉग, वॉन जेरार्ड, थॉमस सैंशे, हेनरी रोजियो. So इनमें से सबसे ब्यूटीफुल पोस्टर कौन सा लग रहा है आप लोगों को? Which one do you find as the most beautiful? Thomas Waterfall, correct. So most of the people are liking the one made by Thomas Sanche. Most nahi, all of you are liking. My personal favorite one was this by Von Gerard. So ठीक है, anyways. So these are very beautiful and world renowned photos made by very famous artists. So just by seeing these photos, it is obvious that some artists have made them. If I say कि just ऐसे ही पेपर पड़ा हुआ था और ऊपर एक कलर्स का डब्बा पड़ा हुआ था और कलर्स का डब्बा नीचे गिर गया और कलर्स बॉटल से बाहर निकल के इतना सुंदर डायग्राम बना दिए, will anyone believe me? No, right? Some artists have surely collected the colors and they have made all these photographs. They didn't just came by themselves. So just imagine these photographs, they can't come by themselves. So what to speak of the landscapes जिनको यहाँ पे पोर्ट्रे किया गया है. ये जो फोटोज हैं ये फोटोज खुद से नहीं आ सकती, इनको कोई तो आर्टिस्ट लगता है बनाने के लिए. तो ये फोटोज जिनको देख के बनाया गया है, these mountains, these waterfalls, these fields, flowers, how can they come by themselves when these photos can't come by themselves? So these are the original landscapes जिनको ये फोटोज में उतारा गया है. So do we ever wonder कि ये सब खुद से कैसे आ सकते हैं, right? जब फोटोज नहीं आ सकती खुद से तो. So who has made them? That should be the natural question. Just a minute, someone wrote in something in chat box. I'll just check. Okay, fine. So who is the artist? So now one very nice brainstorming for all of you. Simple brainstorming. यहाँ पे आपको एक रोज दिख रहा होगा, सबको दिख रहा है? सबको रोज, पेपर का रोज बना हुआ है, ठीक है. तो ये पेपर का रोज बनाने के लिए क्या क्या चीजें लगती हैं? What all items do we need to prepare this पेपर का रोज? What all things do we need for preparing this rose? स्कूल डेज में बनाया होगा ना हमने सबने भी, करेक्ट. पेपर, ग्लू, सीजर. व्हाट एल्स? और क्या लगता है? वन वेरी मोस्ट. अच्छा, राहुल गॉट द पॉइंट. Correct. So all these things are required: paper, glue, scissor. So all these things we do require. But if we just keep all these things on the floor, paper को आपने लाके रख दिया, scissor को लाके रख दिया, glue को लाके रख दिया, सब चीजों को लाके रख दिया आपने, तो ऐसा है क्या कि वो सारी चीजें आपस में मिलके रोज बना देंगी? Can this happen any time? No, right? There needs to be a person who has assembled, who will use all these things and who will make this very beautiful rose, right? So as you all rightly said, we need paper, scissor, glue, but most important, person who has made that, or some intelligence who has made that. But ये जो रोज है, पेपर का रोज, ये किसको देख के बनाया गया है? ये एक्चुअल रोज को देख के बनाया गया है. एंड ये जो एक्चुअल रोज है, दिस इज फार सुपीरियर फ्रॉम दिस पेपर वाला रोज, राइट? ये जो एक्चुअल रोज है, इसको आप अगर सूंघोगे तो आपको फ्रेग्रेंस आएगा. This rose will have fragrance. This rose will have very delicate structure. This rose will change in its size. Does this paper rose have all these characteristics? No, right? So when this simple paper rose, जिसमें ना fragrance है, ना grow होता है, ना उसका कुछ delicate structure है, इसको बनाने के लिए intelligence लगता है. So how can we think कि this beautiful rose, it just came by itself? Many times we say कि rose या हमारे body के लिए phosphorus, calcium, all these things are required. But all these things are non-living things. They don't have their own brain. They can't just come together and make something on their own. There needs to be some intelligence behind all that. So what to speak of flowers in nature with their delicate biological complexity, fragrance, and their shapes and forms? How can they come by themselves? So definitely when there is a beautiful artistry, it requires an intelligent artist. See, if any of you don't agree with any of the point, please, it's my request, please feel free to write in the chat box, or there is a link provided in the chat box. I hope coordinators have provided that link in the chat box. So please go to that Google form and write whatever damn questions you have in your mind. Okay? Please feel frank to write any kind of questions. Then coming to the beautiful organization, B for beautiful organization. So these are some very interesting videos. If we get to complete the session on time, then we will see these videos also. Otherwise, it will take a lot of our time. So we'll see these videos, but later when we get some sufficient time. So these are in short में मैं आपको बताता हूँ कि ये सब वीडियोस किस चीज के बारे में हैं. ये सारे जो वीडियोस हैं, ये अलग अलग तरह के ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस हमें दिखाती हैं जो नेचर में एग्जिस्ट करती हैं. In nature, there are different levels of organizations which exist. So these videos are about that. So wherever we see any organization like NVIDIA or some other organization, can you name some famous organization? Microsoft, then anything else? I'm remembering from computer side only. Tata, Birla, right? What else? Google, correct. How could I forget Google? Google, this Zoom itself, right? So all these are organizations. So ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में ऐसा होता है क्या कि कंप्यूटर्स रखे हुए हैं, सारे कंप्यूटर्स खुद से काम कर रहे हैं? इट डजंट हैपन लाइक दैट, राइट? देयर हैज टू बी मैनेजर, एमडी, देन मैनेजर, देन देयर हैज टू बी डिफरेंट टीम्स, टीम लीड्स रहते हैं उसमें. टीम लीड्स के साथ साथ कुछ लोग टीम्स में रहते हैं, डेवलपर्स रहते हैं, क्यूए क्वालिटी एनालिसिस करने वाले रहते हैं. सो ऑल दिस पीपल applying their intelligence and their talents, they make an organization. So in this universe also, we see different level of organizations. We'll see ahead. So whenever there is an organization, there has to be some intelligence behind that. Similarly, we see in this universe various organizations. For example, our own solar system. ठीक है, हमारा जो सोलर सिस्टम है, जस्ट इमेजिन देयर आर सो मेनी प्लैनेट्स रिवॉल्विंग अराउंड द सन, एंड इवन देयर आर फ्यू प्लैनेट्स जिनका ऑर्बिट जो है वो आपस में ये करता है, क्या बोलते हैं, क्रॉस करता है. देयर आर सम प्लैनेट्स हुज ऑर्बिट्स दे क्रॉस ईच अदर, बट स्टिल वी नेवर फाइंड दैट दे विल कोलाइड विथ ईच अदर, राइट? सो हु इज गाइडिंग देम कि अभी ये प्लूटो है, प्लूटो नेपट्यून, आपको इसी उसमें जाना है, इसी ऑर्बिट में जाना है, आपस में कोलाइड नहीं होना है, कौन बता रहा है उनको? इवन इन आवर ओन अर्थ we have proper seasons that come at proper time, and all the fruits, vegetables, they are in sync with the season, right? जैसा जैसा सीजन है उसके हिसाब से फ्रूट्स आते हैं, what will be suitable in that seasons. So who is managing all these things? हमारी जैसे कंपनीज रहती हैं, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन रहती हैं, there we see that because there are managers, that's why everything goes on in sync, okay, in synchronous way. So how can we think that behind this all organization in this universe, which is governing all the planets, which is governing all the seasons, which is governing all the fruits, vegetables, proper timings and everything, how can they just go on by themselves, right? We really need to think about this. Similarly, coming to the C point, that is creation. Just a second, I'll see the chat box. Someone has written something. Okay, so Arnav is raising a very interesting point that it may be coincidence that the planets don't collide, right? So I totally agree, Arnav. I totally agree with you that it may be coincidence. I'm not disregarding that point. So you are saying that it may be coincidence. So it may be, it may not be also. Now we are just discussing the possibilities. दिस इज वन ओपिनियन कि कोइंसिडेंस हो सकता है, बट कोइंसिडेंस ऐसा, जैसे ये एक पॉसिबिलिटी है कि कोइंसिडेंस हो सकता है, वैसे ये भी एक पॉसिबिलिटी है दैट देयर हैज टू बी, देयर शुड बी समवन, सम इंटेलिजेंस बिहाइंड दैट, राइट? सो दिस इज आल्सो वन ऑफ द पॉसिबिलिटीज, करेक्ट, वेरी ट्रू. बट अगर हम पूरे यूनिवर्स की बात करते हैं, देयर आर सो मेनी थिंग्स हैपनिंग वेरी मच इन सिंक. सो कोइंसिडेंस डजंट हैपन every time. Coincidences happens sometimes, right? They don't happen every time. So if suppose for few years that planets they don't collide and after that they collide, so we can say that they were not colliding because of coincidence. But since so many years all these planets are revolving without touching each other, right? So that is the point. So we are discussing different possibilities, possible reasons. Okay. Now Ajay is saying that just now you said anything good not happened with themselves, that not coincidence. Correct. That that is also possible, that nothing good. See, there are exceptions everywhere. Sometimes some things may happen, but we can't make that coincidence as a general rule. ठीक है? Exceptions जो रहते हैं ना, exceptions को हम general rule कभी नहीं बना सकते, right? So that is the case. Now we see that there are many beautiful cars. Then someone should be there to manufacture them. Trendy computers, someone should be there to assemble them. Elegant watches, someone designed it. Architectural marvels, some people, they came together and erected them. So we see so many things beautiful, as Ajay very correctly mentioned, that all these beautiful things, they need some intelligence behind that. Wonderful sculptures, Shivaji Maharaj, someone might have carved that sculpture. So we see in our universe also, shouldn't this universe have a super intelligent creator too? Just now we discussed that all these planets, they don't coincide, they don't collide with each other, and so many things happen in this universe in such an organized way. So shouldn't this universe have a super intelligent creator too? That is a natural question. So this concludes our C point, that is creation requires a creator, definitely. Now this very interesting thing, these seeds are very small. You can see that the size of these seeds is very small. Around कितना है ये? 1.5 centimeter. Such small seeds are there. But these seeds give rise to such a big such a big tree. We'll see the size of this tree. Yeah, so this tree is called as, anyone knows the name of this tree? This is a very famous tree which is the largest in the world. Anyone? If you don't know, then you can just write that don't know. Okay, okay, okay. So this tree is called as sequoia tree. Sequoia tree. This very famous tree. You'll just wonder how big it is now. See, this whole pathway tunnel is made from its trunk. It's the world's largest tree, the giant sequoia. Okay, someone is writing, Ajay is writing, as per your conversation, creator making many beautiful things in universe. Okay, I can believe. But who made the creator? Very interesting question. We'll deal with this question in our last, okay, last 10 minutes are only remaining. So fine. Okay, so now we'll discuss this question, and after that we'll go ahead if time permits. Okay. So very interesting question has come up, that everything is made by creator, but who made the creator itself? Right? Very intelligent question. So see friends, creator, what is the definition of creator? Creator means one who creates everything else. Okay. So if suppose I say that some other entity A, some entity A, he has made the creator, then that means that entity A is the creator, right? Then you may ask who has made that entity A? Okay. Then if I say that entity B has made that creator, so that means entity B is the creator. So that ways, if I tell anyone who is a creator of something, then that entity becomes the creator. So when we are talking about the creation, that means that ultimate source from which everything came, that is the creator. Okay. So now I will give one more example for this. Suppose there is a train. ठीक है, आप लोगों ने ट्रेन देखा होगा सबने. ट्रेन में क्या होता है? सपोज S10 वाला बोगी है, ठीक है, S10 बोगी, S10 बोगी को S9 बोगी आगे खींच रही है, ठीक है, S9 बोगी को S8 बोगी आगे खींच रही है. मींस S8 बोगी की वजह से S9 बोगी आगे जा रही है, S7 की वजह से S8 आगे जा रहा है, ठीक है. But this has to end somewhere. Where does this whole cycle ends? Which is the ultimate pulling force in the train, which is pulling everyone? Engine, correct. So engine is the what can be said? Engine is the thing which is pulling all the other compartments with it. Engine को कोई और नहीं खींच रहा है. Engine itself is pulling all the other compartments with itself. Similarly, if we go like this कि इसका creator ये है, उसका creator ये है, उसका creator ये है, उसका creator ये है, so ultimately we will end at one point जिसका creator और कोई नहीं है. Similar, just like बोगी जो इंजन है, इंजन को कोई और नहीं खींचता है, इंजन खुद से आगे बढ़ता है सबको लेके. So similarly, there is a ultimate creator जिसको किसी और ने create नहीं किया है. वो कौन है, क्या है? About that our whole whole course is there. So definitely you'll get the answer, who is that ultimate creator, like this engine, who is that ultimate creator, what is his quality, what is the nature, everything you'll come to know just if you stay tuned to this course, we have our future presentations on all these things. We'll analytically understand who is that ultimate creator or what is that ultimate creator. But just you remember this analogy of engine, that this has to end somewhere. Okay. Otherwise, if we keep on asking like this, then there will be no end only. No matter whatever theory you give, suppose even if you ask Big Bang, okay, Big Bang is, if you discuss the Big Bang theory, then Big Bang हुआ, उसके लिए फिर एक क्वेश्चन आएगा कि बिग बैंग किसने किया, बिग बैंग कहां से हुआ, उससे पहले जो था वो कहां से आया, वो कहां से आया. So this question will never end. But by this engine example, we can understand that there is some ultimate creator from whom everything is coming. So, but then who created the supreme creator? Someone is asking. Who is asking this? Arnav. Arnav is asking who created the supreme creator. See, supreme creator नाम से पता चल रहा है. Supreme means that जिसका और कोई creator नहीं है. Okay. So I will like, actually I wanted to discuss this in our future sessions, but because you are asking this, so I will just quickly discuss about this here only. That see, create करना मतलब there is a time factor. ठीक है, जो टाइम फैक्टर है, दिस इज क्वाइट इजोटेरिक, ये हो सकता है आपको इमीडिएटली ना समझे, बट ये ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम यू विल अंडरस्टैंड ऑल दीज थिंग्स. दैट क्रिएशन की जब भी हम बात करते हैं, देयर इज अ टाइम फैक्टर इन्वॉल्व. ठीक है, देयर इज अ टाइम फैक्टर इन्वॉल्व. सो बट इफ वी say that time factor is also created by the creator. Okay, so on the creator you cannot apply the time factor. For example, suppose this very lucid example, I hope this should explain the things. Suppose there is a novel. ठीक है, आप सबने नॉवेल पढ़ा होगा, नॉवेल या कोई भी बुक पढ़ी होगी. नॉवेल में एक स्टोरी चल रही है. ठीक है, तो उस नॉवेल का जो पूरा सीन है, पूरे जो कैरेक्टर्स हैं, ऑल सिचुएशंस, एवरीथिंग, द होल फिलॉसफी एंड एवरीथिंग, दैट हैज बीन क्रिएटेड बाय an author who is outside that novel. ठीक है, who is outside that novel. Now we can't apply the rules and everything, the story of that novel to that author. Author is separate from the novel and he is the creator of that novel. Okay, so similarly this whole universe, that there is some creator behind this whole universe, but we cannot apply the time factor and all these things which we see in this universe to that creator. इसके बारे, this is a very deep discussion. We'll as we proceed in our further sessions, this will surely be clarified a lot. But if you just remember for now this engine example, that हम इंजन के लिए नहीं पूछते कि इंजन को कौन चला रहा है, इंजन खुद से आगे बढ़ रहा है. Similarly, there is a creator who or what is itself self-manifested, and that is creating everything else. Okay, and this another example we can remember of a novel. If still you have doubts on this, you can put on the link which we have sent to you, and these may be answered in our further sessions also. There are a few other chats coming. I'll just check. By the extreme gases and all that things. Yeah, but still that question comes ki extreme gases, how they themselves assemble themselves. Just now we discussed ki nothing organized, nothing what we say creative and beautiful, that doesn't come by themselves. Inert matter doesn't assemble themselves to make the things, right? So extreme gases might be there, but उनको किस तरह से arrange होना है, किस तरह से assemble होना है, for that it requires some intelligence, right? Next, someone has written that there must be something that created that made it. Yeah, human days are the hours of God, correct? Will you conduct the, what will Shubham, I didn't understand what you're writing. Will, why conduct the, what does this mean? Okay. There is no response coming. So no problem. We'll go ahead with our discussion. So these are sequoia trees, and just see in this photo, these sequoia trees are so large, right? They are even larger than the dinosaurs, blue whale. तो कुछ भी नहीं उसके सामने, right? So just imagine this whole trees mechanism, how to grow and everything. Such a large trees mechanism. Everything is encrypted. Everything is encoded in such a small seed, right? So just like we see the example of SD cards, ठीक है? SD cards रहते हैं छोटे-छोटे, but in those SD cards, GBs and GBs of data is stored, right? So whenever we see such a mind-blowing thing, that in such a small thing the whole data is encrypted, there has to be some intelligent scientist or engineer who has made such a technology. So when such things requires a technology, such things require a scientist or engineer, then who is the engineer behind putting this whole logic and everything in that small seed, right? That should be our thought. So this is the same analogy comparing the chips with our brain and all these technologies. Human brain can store more information than all the libraries in the world, right? So how can such a complex thing just come by itself? There has to be some intelligence behind this. There has to be some creator behind this. Okay, so now we are already, we have crossed 9 p.m. So we will end here unless someone has any questions or anything they want to discuss. They can feel free to write in the chat box, or they can unmute yourself and discuss. We'll wait for 1 or 2 minutes. If there is no response, then we will meet tomorrow then. Okay, so Shubham is asking, will Raspati Das join? Yeah, surely Raspati sir will be joining in further sessions, in mostly like after few sessions he will be joining this course. Anyone else? Anything?
सर
Yeah.
हम सभी ये सब यूनिवर्स किसने बनाया या ये सभी क्यों हो रहा है, इसके पीछे फाइंड आउट करने के लिए लगे हैं ना,
Correct.
तो हम ये सोच रहे क्यों, ये सोच किसने बनाया, ये सोचने की शक्ति कैसे आ रही है, इसको कौन रिस्पॉन्सिबल है?
Correct. That's what we discussed now, that there has to be a creator behind this also. Our thinking ability.
अभी मेरे सोच के पीछे भी कोई क्रिएटर है बोलेंगे आप, लेकिन मैं थोड़ी देर में कुछ बुरा सोचूंगा सर, लेकिन बुरा तो कोई क्रिएटर नहीं रहता करके आपने बोला है.
Correct. See, I'll actually आपके जो questions है ना अजय, these questions are very profound. इसके लिए ना हमें will need a lot of discussion, and which will be surely covering in our whole course. This is just the first session, but still आपका क्योंकि ये question बहुत ही valid है, इसका मतलब है कि आप सोच रहे हो, like you are asking such questions, that means you are genuinely trying to find answers. So I'll just give a very short reply. Elaboration, like we'll elaborate it more in our further sessions. जिस तरह से ये course आगे बढ़ेगा ना, you will get all your questions answered. But just I'll give a very short answer, ठीक है? For now, as of now, I'll give just 2 examples, ठीक है? First of all, see, खेती की है आपने कभी?
नहीं सर.
नहीं ना. No problem. मैंने भी नहीं की कभी खेती. तो कभी भी हम खेती करते हैं, तो खेती में सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट कंपोनेंट क्या रहता है, जिसके बिना खेती हो ही नहीं सकती, उपज आ ही नहीं सकती. Actually, there are many important components. Soil is there, seed is there, but something is there which is not in our control. Rain.
खेती में बारिश गिरना टाइम पे जरूरी है सर.
Exactly. So rain is very important for the crops. अभी जो राइस का खेत है और जो गेहूं का खेत है और कुछ कुछ सपोज खेत होंगे किसके, बाजरे के खेत, सो ऑल दिस खेत, इन सभी फार्म्स में बारिश सेम आती है, राइट? बारिश सेम
Right.
आती है, बट स्टिल बिकॉज उनका कंपोजिशन अलग अलग है, सॉइल का जो कंपोजिशन है और जो सीड है वो अलग अलग प्रकार का है, तो इसीलिए इवन दो बारिश सेम आती है, बट देर आर डिफरेंट डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ क्रॉप्स एज पर द सॉइल. Similarly, behind everything in this world there is a supreme creator. ठीक है? बट वी कांट से कि मेरे अंदर जो बुरे विचार, जो हमारी सोचने की जो क्षमता है, सोचने की क्षमता भी सुप्रीम क्रिएटर से ही आ रही है. ओके, बट
हाँ,
दैट सुप्रीम क्रिएटर हैज गिवन अस अ फ्री विल. फ्री विल का मतलब होता है इच्छा शक्ति. जस्ट फॉर एग्जाम्पल, लाइक करेंटली यू आर डूइंग व्हाट अजय? यू आर स्टडिंग और वर्किंग?
BE Mechanical sir, 3rd year.
ओके ओके, बीए मैकेनिकल 3rd ईयर. तो अभी आपको
Well,
वो
actually I know perfectly English, but I am comfortable in Hindi, sir.
no no no
That's
no
why I am speaking in
no problem, no problem, we should speak in Hindi actually, no problem. So मैं आपको क्यों पूछ रहा था ये, बिकॉज whether you are married or not, that's what I wanted to check. But अभी आप of course you are not married yet, तो you won't have this experience. But कोई भी फादर रहता है, सपोज पेरेंट्स, देयर इज एन आर्ट ऑफ पेरेंटिंग. ठीक है? क्या होता है, जो बच्चा रहता है, छोटा बच्चा पेरेंट्स का, उसको ट्रेन करने के अलग अलग तरीके रहते हैं. देयर आर सम पेरेंट्स, व्हाट दे डू, दे आर वेरी स्ट्रिक्ट कि नहीं तेरे को यही करना पड़ेगा, तेरे को वही करना पड़ेगा, ये नहीं कर सकता, वो नहीं कर सकता. दे आर लाइक वेरी स्ट्रिक्ट पेरेंट्स. But there is a problem in that. What happens? The child doesn't get a loving relationship with the parents. Okay. So
Okay.
it is a very important component of parenting that the parents should give a free space to the child. ठीक है? Parents should give a free space to the child. Along with that, parents should give proper teaching to the child. पेरेंट्स का जिम्मेदारी क्या रहता है कि बच्चे को खुला थोड़ा स्पेस भी देने का, साथ साथ उसको क्या चीज गलत है क्या चीज सही है वो सिखाने का भी. बट दे शुड, बेस्ट पेरेंटिंग मीन्स कि वो बच्चे को खुद से सीखने को इंस्पायर कर रहे हैं. मतलब दे आर नॉट इम्पोजिंग ऑन द चाइल्ड, दे आर जस्ट टीचिंग द चाइल्ड एंड दे आर गिविंग द फ्रीडम टू द चाइल्ड कि ठीक है, तुमको अभी ये बताया हमने, तुम खुद से सीखो. खुद से सीखने से हम ज्यादा लाइक मैच्योरली बड़े होते हैं. Agree?
Agree, sir.
So similarly, this supreme creator, see, one point is very important. Wherever there is love, there can't be force, or whenever there is force, there can't be love. If there is force, then we will just act like robots. Okay? But because the supreme creator, like supreme creator wants us to grow by ourselves, so that's why, like, that is the best way of parenting, that supreme creator has given us the free space. Okay? So whatever thoughts we are having, whatever good thoughts, bad thoughts we are having, we are utilizing our freedom that supreme creator has given. Okay? But along with that, supreme creator has given various teachings to us, in the form of Gita, in the form of Quran, in the form of Bible. All these are teachings of the creator कि तुमको ये सही है, ये गलत है, ये करने से अच्छा होगा, ये करने से बुरा होगा. But he is not responsible for the bad things which we do, because he has given us freedom. See, if the creator is supreme creator, then he can give the freedom also, no? We cannot bound that creator, that if he is the creator of everything, that my thoughts are also his only creation. He has given us freedom to utilize our thinking ability. Thinking ability has been given by the creator, but how we use that, that is our freedom that we have been given. And along with that, he has given us various scriptures to follow them and properly live our life in harmony with nature. Does this clarify some things?
Little bit clarify, but I have so many doubts, sir, still.
Very good. You should have doubts, but just have patience along as we continue with our sessions.
I
All
have so
your
much
doubts will
patience,
be
sir. I
cleared
can
in
wait still 1 month.
mostly 2 or 3 sessions. All your doubts will be cleared in further 2 3 sessions. But this,
Okay.
because this was the first session, so I just gave in a very brief, concise way that we can remember these two analogies. That first of all, thoughts. This thinking ability has been made by the creator, but by his own free will, that creator has given us also freedom to think the way we want. That freedom is also created by the creator only, no? So why can't he give us the freedom, right? Along with that, so that we choose in a best way. So there are many guidelines given in the Bible, Quran, and all the other scriptures. And we can also remember this example of rain. Just like rain is responsible for the crops, but rain is not responsible for the different types of crops which are growing up. Similarly, the creator is there behind everything, but the different ways we use our freedom, he is not responsible for that. And see, Ajay,
It's
one
simple
thing
question है, sir.
I
Simple
wanted
question
to
है एक.
make point that when I said na that nothing bad things don't come from God and all that thing, what I meant by that point is कि nothing unorganized comes. No, sorry. All the organized things come from the creator, which we see in our surroundings. Unorganized things can happen by themselves, but organized things generally happen because of creator only. So what I think Shubham or someone has mentioned that the coincidence wala point. So coincidence may happen, but we can't base our whole knowledge on just coincidences, right? Coincidences पे हम ऐसा पूरा science हमारा coincidence पे base नहीं कर सकते, right?
Yes, sir.
So we need to have a proper theory behind the things, and proper theory, as Ajay also mentioned, that everything organized should come from a intelligence. Anything else? Okay, Arnav is saying that, but one can organize a bad. Surely, one can organize a bad thing. That's what I said. That unorganized things don't come by. Sorry, it's confusing. Organized things don't come by themselves. Good and bad both can be organized, now. Anyone else? Thanks for the session. Creator has given us the choice. Yeah, so Madhav was also given that creator has given us a choice. So creator can give us a choice, right? We can't bind the creator that he has to keep us as robots only, right?
सर मेरा एक छोटा सा क्वेश्चन है.
Yeah, definitely.
अभी एक माँ बाप का कर्तव्य है बच्चे को अच्छे से शिक्षा देना और
Correct.
उसके बाद फ्रीडम छोड़ देना कि वो अपने डिसीजन खुद ले सके.
Correct.
ठीक है. तो इसमें माँ बाप का अच्छा सा संस्कार डालना बच्चे के ऊपर, इसमें थोड़ा तो क्रिएटर का हाथ होगा ना, जिसने ये बनाया यूनिवर्स. थोड़ा तो
मतलब माँ बाप जो अच्छा संस्कार डाल रहे हैं बच्चों में,
उसमें है. उसमें भी अभी माँ बाप को भी अच्छा सा देना कि बोले तो ऐसे यूनिवर्स बना के रखा है ना कि माँ बाप उसको अच्छे संस्कार देना करके.
करेक्ट.
इसमें भी उसका कुछ तो कुछ हाथ होगा ना.
कुछ नहीं, बहुत हाथ है. See this.
ठीक है.
See all
बहुत हाथ है
these.
सर. इधर ही रुकते हैं हम. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन.
Yeah, definitely, no problem. Thank you so much.
अभी सुनो.
Yeah.
मुझे ही मेरे माँ बाप ने अच्छे संस्कार दिए. ठीक है, मैं एक अच्छे लाइन पे चल रहा हूँ. बुरे थिंग्स मेरे दिमाग में आते हैं तो उसके लिए भगवत गीता है, कुरान है, सब कुछ है. ये भी फॉलो करो, ये यही रास्ते पे चलो करके बोले मुझे. ठीक है.
Exactly.
और एक बच्चा है जो 10,000 किलोमीटर दूर एक फॉरेस्ट में रहता है. उसका लाइफ का 23 इयर्स निकल गया, लेकिन उसके साथ एक आदमी रहता है. वो बोलते हैं कि बैड थिंग्स ही सिखाया उसको. आज तक गॉड का नाम नहीं है. 23 इयर्स के बाद वो मुझे आके मिलता है. मैं गॉड है ऐसी बुरी चीजें मत कर करके बोलता हूँ, तो गॉड का डेफिनेशन गूगल में ढूंढते हैं. ये गॉड क्या है भाई? वो पहली बार सुन रहा है गॉड करके. तो उसके लिए थोड़ा भी उस ऊपर वाले ने कुछ किया नहीं है क्या सर? वो आदमी ने गलत सोच दिया, लेकिन मैं हूं करके वो एक बार भी उसके दिमाग में लाया नहीं.
ये आप हाइपोथेटिकल एग्जांपल बोल रहे हो या फिर एक्चुअल में ऐसा हुआ है? मतलब ऐसा है.
नहीं, एक्चुअल में हुआ है सर, हुआ है। जो मानता ही नहीं है, जो मानता ही नहीं, उसको गॉड का मीनिंग मालूम नहीं है। 23 इयर्स के बाद पहली बार गॉड करके वर्ड सुने।
Okay, okay. So what is the question?
मेरा क्वेश्चन है कि एक आदमी उसके साथ रह के उसको गॉड क्या है करके सिखाया नहीं, माँ बाप का ये अच्छे ही लाइन में चलना करके सिखाया नहीं, एक भी अच्छा चीज नहीं आएगा उसको, एक भी, सभी बुराई। लेकिन उसको फर्क मालूम नहीं है कि अच्छा क्या है बुरा है, वो भी सिखाया नहीं। ठीक है, वो अच्छा भी कर देगा, कुछ मैं बोलूंगा एक काम तो अच्छा कर देगा वो, लेकिन उसको डिफरेंस मालूम नहीं है कि अच्छा क्या है बुरा क्या है। इतना सब कुछ सिखाया उस आदमी ने, लेकिन एक बार भी ऊपर वाले को ये नहीं हुआ कि इसको अच्छा सिखाना चाहिए। मेरा धर्म है, मैं जितना हो सके उतना अच्छा कुछ डालना चाहिए, उसके बाद वो फ्रीडम दे दो, वो अपने अपने रास्ते पे चले।
Mm-hmm.
सब कुछ कंट्रोल वो एक आदमी के हाथ में दे दिया वो बच्चों को बनाने के लिए, उसने कुछ नहीं किया, बोल रहा हूँ मैं।
Okay. So,
अभी उस बच्चे का क्या दोष है, बोलिए मुझे।
okay, okay, fine. I understood your point. Ki, if there is a creator, supreme creator, why didn't he took care of that proper training of that boy? Am I correct?
थोड़ा सा, ज्यादा नहीं, थोड़ा सा।
Okay, okay. See, कैसा होता है ना कि करेक्ट, हम आगे जाएंगे ना इस सेशन में, आगे एक लॉ ऑफ कर्मा करके भी आता है, ठीक है। ये आपका जो क्वेश्चन है ना, इसको समझने के लिए वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड वेदर दिस इज द ओनली लाइफ और देयर हैव बीन मल्टीपल लाइफ्स। सो मेनी ऑफ द थिंग्स व्हिच हैपन इन अवर दिस लाइफ, दे आर द रिजल्ट ऑफ अवर एक्टिविटीज इन अवर प्रीवियस लाइफ। हमारे पिछले जन्म के कुछ कर्म रहते हैं जिसकी वजह से हमें इस लाइफ में भी रिजल्ट्स मिलते हैं उसके। ओके, सो
नहीं सर, ये मैं मानता हूँ, इसके बारे में मैंने स्टडी किया है सर, लॉ ऑफ कर्मा। लेकिन लेकिन उस बच्चे
जस्ट
को
वन थिंग,
पिछले जन्म में कर्म बुरे करके ये जन्म में ऐसी लाइफ मिली, लेकिन वो ये जन्म में अच्छे कर्म करना चाहता है सर।
just a second, just I'll make a short announcement to
लेकिन
everyone.
फर्क नहीं है ना, अच्छे कर्म बुरे कर्म।
Just I'll make a short announcement to everyone. See, our officially now our timing has got over. From 8 to 9 we were supposed to have. So anyone who has any pressing things, they can feel free to leave. There is no compulsion from our side. We'll continue tomorrow same time, 8 p.m. Those who want to stay back, they can stay back. Those who want to leave, they can leave, because officially our time is over already. ठीक है. So now coming back to Ajay, I understand that it is very like sad to hear that. Hello, am I audible?
हाँ सर, नाउ।
Okay, okay. मेरा actually network थोड़ा unstable हो गया था. So what I wanted to say is कि I totally agree that life has been unjust for that boy. He should have had more opportunities. But what we can do now you are trying to help him in some way. Ajay,
No sir,
are you trying to
because
help him
we
in
don't
some
know about the what I'm saying is correct or not.
He doesn't know what?
What I'm saying to him, no, he doesn't know it is correct or not.
So you can explain. So Ajay, you can explain to him now nicely.
Hello.
I'm saying you can explain to him now nicely, scientifically, or you can tell him to attend this course. He will get scientific understanding.
सर, मेरा बोलने का मतलब है, वो वो बच्चा ऐसा ऐसा नहीं है सर। आज तक दुनिया में एक एक बच्चा, आप उसको देखना है बोले तो पीएम नरेंद्र मिल सकते हैं सर आप, लेकिन उस बच्चे का कुछ डेफिनेशन ही अलग है। एक आदमी मर गया, उसको माँ बाप क्या है, माँ बाप की क्या है वो तक मालूम नहीं है। भगवान तो उधर ही, उसको भगवान गॉड 20 इयर्स के बाद नया मालूम हुआ है सर।
ओके ओके, देखो कैसा रहता है अजय, हमारी
मैं
जिंदगी,
बच्चे के संगत में नहीं हूँ।
see in our life now there are, everyone gets opportunity. I don't know why this is happening in between, it is getting disconnected. Okay, we'll have more proper discussions in future. I think okay. Now it's stable. My network is stable now. See, Ajay, friend, what happens now?
हाँ सर.
We all get opportunities in our life. ऐसा नहीं है कि अभी तो आपने कितना बताया, उसका 23 साल का उम्र है ना, अभी तो कुछ भी नहीं है.
हाँ सर.
He is very young now. So why you are waiting कि उसको बचपन से क्यों नहीं मिले संस्कार अच्छे, बचपन से उसको सीखने को क्यों नहीं मिला? Now also there is not much loss. Now also if he wants, he can learn good things in life. There is never a time too late. I will give you examples of few of my friends जो लोग मतलब 20-25 साल की उम्र से घर से उनको इतना खराब संस्कार मिला है, but smoking, drinking, everything they used to do, but because they got like they got proper guidance at some point of their life, that has transformed them. So maybe creator God, he might be acting through you. You can also be a instrument of God, no, to help him. So it's never
Sir,
late.
actually
That's what I'm saying.
पॉइंट ये है कि सर, हेलो
Yeah, speak now.
सर, पॉइंट ये है कि एक्चुअली प्रेजेंट में वो बच्चा राजीव गांधी मेंटल हॉस्पिटल बेंगलोर मडीवाला में है वो.
Oh, okay.
एक्चुअली उसको समाज में रहने का अधिकार नहीं है करके पूरा गली वगैरह लोग बोलता था सर, क्योंकि वो जानते ही नहीं सर, हमारे पृथ्वी के लोगों को जानते ही नहीं. अकेला रहे सो उसको कर्तव्य क्या है मालूम नहीं है, कर्तव्य से आदमी भाग नहीं सकता ये भी मालूम नहीं है उसको. वो दुनिया से सबसे अलग रहना चाहते हैं. मेंटल, मैं आपको प्रूफ दिखा सकता हूँ सर, उस बच्चे का मेंटल हॉस्पिटल में है.
Okay.
लेकिन उसको थोड़ा भी ये जगत के बारे में मालूम नहीं है सर. ये कैसे हो सकता है?
See what happens now that अभी उसके लिए एक्चुअली हमारा जो 4th सेशन है ना, वो उसके बारे में ही है पूरा. तो that all
बच्चे के
things
बारे
will...
में चेंज करने दो सर, लेकिन मुझे अपने क्वेश्चन के डिस्कशन करना है कि वो क्रिएटर ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है? सभी के साथ अच्छी चीजों में तो सभी के साथ सेम परसेंटेज होना चाहिए उसका. उसके साथ जितना अच्छा कर सकता है 50% तो अच्छा सोच डाल के छोड़ देना चाहिए था उसे. बाद में वो कितना भी खराब होने दो, 10 लोगों का मर्डर कर दो, क्या? लेकिन कम से कम वो है विधाता, उससे डरना चाहिए. वो डरना नहीं, कम से कम एक रहना चाहिए कि वो है, उसके लिए अच्छी चीजें करूं. मेरे माँ बाप है, कुछ इमोशंस भी नहीं दिए उसने. विदाउट इमोशंस कैसे रह सकता है एक आदमी?
Correct. See, I have complete sympathy for him, but if you are asking in this forum, I have to say very much like realistically what the scriptures say. अभी शास्त्र जो बोलते हैं उसके आधार पे अगर हम देखें तो कैसा रहता है.
हाँ सर.
अभी लाइक ऐसा नहीं है कि आई एम नॉट सिंपैथेटिक टू हिम, आई एम श्योरली सिंपैथेटिक टू हिम, बट आई हैव टू स्पीक फ्रॉम शास्त्रास. So as per the Shastras,
Yes,
they are very clear कि whatever happens with someone, it is because अभी जैसे आपको मैं एक एग्जांपल देता हूँ, ठीक है, सिंपल सा एग्जांपल है. एंड आई एम अगेन टेलिंग टू एवरीवन, अगर किसी को किसी दूसरे काम के लिए जाना है, दे कैन freely leave the meeting. It's now session is over. Now we are having like kind of non-official discussion. So अजय, आप सपोज आप
sir.
एक क्रिकेट मैच के लिए आए हो, ठीक है, क्रिकेट मैच के लिए आए हो और आपको दिख रहा है कि जो स्कोर बोर्ड है, जस्ट अभी मैच स्टार्ट हुआ है, ठीक है, जस्ट अभी मैच स्टार्ट हुआ है, और वो जो स्कोर बोर्ड है, स्कोर बोर्ड के इंडिया पाकिस्तान का मैच चल रहा है, और जो स्कोर बोर्ड है उस पे इंडिया का 0 रन है, और जो पाकिस्तान है उसका स्कोर है 156, ठीक है.
हाँ सर.
अभी जस्ट मैच स्टार्ट हुआ है उस दिन का, और आप देख रहे हो स्कोर बोर्ड पे एक का 0 है, एक का 156 है. तो नेचुरली हमको क्या दिमाग में आएगा, ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है? मैच तो अभी स्टार्ट हुआ, दोनों का 0-0 होना चाहिए, दोनों का इक्वल होना चाहिए, एक का कम एक का ज्यादा कैसे है, राइट? तो क्या पॉसिबिलिटी हो सकती है
कि कल का मैच का स्कोर होगा?
वेरी इंटेलिजेंट। देखो क्या है, एक पॉसिबिलिटी क्या हो सकती है कि वो जो स्कोर बोर्ड वाले जो लोग हैं, जो मैनेजमेंट कमिटी में है, वो लोग या तो पागल है या तो बायस्ड है, ठीक है, दे आर नॉट इम्पार्शियल, वो पार्शियल है, पाकिस्तान के लिए पार्शियल है वो, ऐसा एक पॉसिबिलिटी हो सकता है। दूसरा पॉसिबिलिटी हो सकता है कि वो जो स्कोर बोर्ड है वो खराब है, गलत स्कोर दिखा रहा है। तीसरा पॉसिबिलिटी हो सकता है कि गलती से चांस, इट हैपेंड बाय चांस। ओके, सो ऑल दीज आर डिफरेंट पॉसिबिलिटीज जो कि बहुत, जिनका जो बहुत ही इलॉजिकल है। जरूर अभी इतने हाई पोस्ट पे बैठे हैं वो मैनेजर्स, वो लोग ऐसे पार्शियल क्यों रहेंगे, राइट? सिमिलरली स्कोर बोर्ड भी ठीक रहेगा ना, स्कोर बोर्ड क्यों खराब होगा? द मोस्ट लॉजिकल रीजनिंग इज व्हाट यू गिव, आपने जो रीजन बताया दैट इज द मोस्ट लॉजिकल, कि हो सकता है वो टेस्ट मैच हो और टेस्ट मैच में वो सेकेंड इनिंग चल रहा हो, ठीक है, वो जो स्कोर है पाकिस्तान का वो पुराने इनिंग से है। अग्री विद दिस?
यस सर।
This is the most logical explanation which we can give. तो similar explanation is given by the scriptures. हमारे जो शास्त्र हैं वो सेम एग्जांपल देते हैं स्कोर बोर्ड का, मतलब ऐसा उसमें शास्त्र में स्कोर बोर्ड लिखा नहीं है, बट सिमिलर एग्जांपल दे गिव कि हमारे इस लाइफ में हम देखते हैं कोई सुंदर है, कोई बहुत बदसूरत है, कोई अमीर है, कोई गरीब है, कोई बहुत इंटेलिजेंट है, आईआईटी क्लियर्ड है, कोई एकदम जिसके जो सोच नहीं सकता वैसा है। तो ये सब होने के पीछे रीजन क्या है? हमारे पिछले लाइफ में हमने क्या इनिंग्स खेला, दे आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर दैट। सो दैट इज द लॉ ऑफ कर्मा विच विल बी डिस्कसिंग इन फ्यूचर सेशंस। आप जो बोल रहे हो कि स्कोर लाइक सबको एक समान होना चाहिए अपॉर्चुनिटीज, दैट इज लाइक सेइंग कि दोनों टीम्स का स्कोर 0-0 होना चाहिए, बट वो हम कब बोल रहे हैं? हमको लग रहा है कि वही एक मैच है। सिमिलरली अगर हम ऐसा बोल रहे हैं, इसका मतलब हम सोच रहे हैं कि यही एक ही लाइफ है, बट ऐसा नहीं है, इससे पहले भी देयर हैज बीन लाइफ्स, उसमें जैसे हमारे कर्म हुए हैं उसके हिसाब से हमको रिएक्शंस मिलते हैं इस लाइफ में। बट द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज दैट हमारे पुराने कर्म कैसे भी हो, हमारे रिएक्शंस कैसे भी हो, कैसे भी आए इस लाइफ में, बट स्टिल वी ऑलवेज हैव होप। ओके, वी ऑलवेज हैव होप फॉर इंप्रूविंग द क्वालिटी ऑफ लाइफ। वी शुड थिंक कि अभी ठीक है, ये सिचुएशन में मैं आ गया अपने पुराने कर्मों की वजह से, नाउ अभी यहां से मैं क्या कर सकता हूं इन द मोस्ट प्रैक्टिकल वे। प्रैक्टिकली मैं क्या कर सकता हूं अभी यहाँ पे? यहाँ से काफी सारे ऐसे लोग हुए हैं जो कि बहुत ही खराब स्थिति में थे, जिनका अभी ये तो पर्सन ठीक है, इसका हाथ पैर चलता है एटलीस्ट, देर आर मेनी पीपल जिनका हाथ नहीं चलता, पैर, हाथ पैर कटे हैं, सिर्फ पेट और मुंह है सिर्फ। आपने सुना है, देखा ऐसे लोगों का भी? लाइक देयर आर सम मोटिवेशनल पीपल जिनका कुछ भी नहीं है बॉडी में, सिर्फ पेट और सिर है सिर्फ, बट स्टिल सच पीपल आर वर्ल्ड फेमस बिकॉज दे आर एंडेवरिंग इवन विद दोज फैकल्टीज। देयर आर मेनी पीपल हु आर, मतलब इसकी कुछ कमी नहीं है, दुनिया में बहुत लोग हैं जो बहुत बुरी स्थिति में है, बट उसमें वो क्या करते हैं दैट मैटर्स। अभी ये जो पर्सन है जिनके बारे में आप बोल रहे हैं, इनका पास्ट कैसा भी हो, बट फ्यूचर इज इन देयर कंट्रोल। फ्यूचर फिक्स नहीं हुआ है, फ्यूचर इज इन देयर कंट्रोल, हाउ दे वांट टू मेक बेस्ट आउट ऑफ दिस सिचुएशन। So there are many ways which you can think or which he can think in which he can best utilize whatever resources he has. So that should be our thought. Okay, so we can't blame the scoreboard keeper. Similar way, we can't say that creator has done that. Creator has given equal opportunities to everyone. Just if you have some time, I'll just give one last example, very short last example, and we will end with this. Okay. So many people, okay, I'll give the example. Suppose there was a barber, ठीक है, एक बार्बर का शॉप था और उसमें एक आदमी जाता है अंदर, तो वो जो आदमी रहता है बाल कटाने जो गया रहता है, वो he was a very good devotee, he used to believe in God and creator and everything. So when he went into the shop, barber shop, बार्बर सेट कि अरे क्या ये भगवान वगैरह लगा के रखा है, सब कुछ नहीं होता, अंधविश्वास है सब। तो वो बोलते हैं कि क्यों अंधविश्वास क्यों लगता है तुमको? सो दैट बार्बर सेट कि जस्ट सी इन दिस वर्ल्ड, अब दुनिया देखो आपको समझ जाएगा। इन दिस वर्ल्ड यू सी सो मेनी सफरिंग्स, so much misery, so much problem, so many people having so many defects. How can there be a creator? How can there be a God when there are so much suffering, so much miseries in this world, so much deficiencies in this world? What kind of creator is that? Right? That was what Barber asked. You agree with the Barber, what he said? So Barber asked
Okay.
that how can there be a creator? What kind of creator is he who is making such partial decisions? Someone is good, someone is bad, and all that. So that means there has to be no creator. That's what he said. So that devotee, he didn't say anything. He just बोला कि छोड़ो अभी इससे क्या उलझना. वो अपने बाल वाल कटवा के बाहर चले गया. Outside he went, and after 5 minutes he came back again. Not 2 minutes, he came back again into the barber shop. And he started shouting that in this whole city there is no barber. Okay. Barber वगैरह सब अंधविश्वास है. There is no barber in this whole city. So that barber was amazed. कह रहे ये क्या बोल रहे हैं? I am standing in front of him. Still he is saying that there is no barber. Or barber is partial. Barber सबको एक समान ट्रीट नहीं करता. So that barber said कि why are you saying like that? So then that man said, he took him by the arm. वो जो बार्बर है उसको हाथ पकड़ के वो बाहर लेके गया और बाहर ले जाके बोला देखो सड़क पे देखो. तो वो बार्बर ने सड़क पे देखा. उसको क्या दिखता है कि देयर इज अ पर्सन विथ वेरी बिग बिग हेयर्स. उसके सिर पे बहुत बड़े बड़े बाल हैं, दाढ़ी है, मूंछ एकदम बड़े बड़े भालू समान बाल है उसके बहुत सारे. तो वो बोला कि जस्ट बिकॉज दिस पर्सन इज हैविंग बिग बिग हेयर्स that proves that there is no barber in the city. अगर बार्बर है तो इसके सर पे इतने बाल क्यों है? That's what he said. बार्बर है तो इसके सर पे इतने बाल क्यों है? That means there is no barber or the barber is not impartial. So then that barber understood why that person is having hairs all over his body, because he didn't come towards the barber. If he comes to the barber, if he pays some amount, then barber will definitely shave his head if he wants. Similarly, all the problems in this world, creator always wants the best thing for us. Creator always wants the best thing for us. But sometimes what happens, due to our past, in our past life or in this present life, we don't accept what creator says in scriptures, or we don't act on that. And because of that, what happens? We have some struggles in our life. And through those struggles, we grow. Right? Do we grow with our struggles or not? Do you agree with this? हमारे life में जो भी struggles होते हैं, they are opportunities for us to grow in our life. So similarly, whatever struggles he might be having, if he gets proper direction now, you don't worry about what happened in the past. You worry about how to help him now. If we help him somehow now, currently, then he will grow in his life, and he will create good karma that will have a very glorious life ahead for him. So that's all what I can say on this. As of now, there are many things, but already we are over time, and there are further sessions also where we'll deal with all these kind of questions. So that's why I'll close this topic very shortly now. So at least some clarity could you get, Ajay? Even though not everything completely, but at least something you could understand from this.
More I understand, but more I get some questions now.
Definitely, no problem. That means you are a very intelligent person. It is said now that inquisitiveness is a sign of intelligence. So please keep this fire burning within you, this fire of inquisitiveness. But just will take some time as we go through this whole course ना. अभी ये तो सिर्फ पहला सेशन है, पहला सेशन भी कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ है ये. इसमें पूरे आंसर्स definitely आंसर नहीं हो, पूरे क्वेश्चंस definitely आंसर नहीं हो पाएंगे.
But I am studying from the human psychology from last 6 years.
Amazing. Human psychology. But you are doing
human
BE,
psychology.
no?
I'm researching on that.
But along with that, you are doing BE in mechanical?
BE mechanical, sir. I have interest in this.
Oh, very nice. So just in further few sessions now, all your doubts will be clarified. Surely. We have so much things to discuss, but just time is limiting, and this is just the first part of the first session. But definitely, we'll deal with all variety of questions you have in our further sessions. Is it okay? So,
Right, sir.
can
Thank
we end for today?
Okay, sir.
Thank you so much for your very enthusiastic participation. And tomorrow we will explore this more deeply. And there will be more questions, more answers. So please stay tuned with us. Same time, 8 p.m. we'll meet tomorrow. And if you still have, Ajay, you also, if you have any kind of questions, there is this link also where you can post. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much for your time. Good night. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much to you, sir, responding my each doubt.
Thank you so much. We'll meet tomorrow at 8 p.m.